Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, coming at you this Tuesday afternoon, not from inside the Wall Street studio, but from outside along the East River, because it's a beautiful day here in the Big Apple, as you can see right behind me. And you know why else it's beautiful, right? No, not because of the Euro Cups going on right now, because it's nearly 4 o'clock, the markets there about to close. I want to grab myself a drink out in this beautiful sun, because it's happy hour in the Big Apple. Now, U.S. stocks, they're a lot lower once again this Tuesday afternoon, due mostly in part to investors focusing on two things: the combination of tomorrow's Fed meeting commencing, as well as the upcoming Brexit vote later on next week. But first, we have to talk about data reports today. We had retail sales figures rising a more than expected 0.5% in May, while import prices rose 1.4%, the largest gain in more than 4 years. This while export prices jumped 1.1% in May, and business inventories, they rose roughly 0.1% for the month of April. But for most investors today, focus attention all across the pond as the United Kingdom is officially set to vote on June 23rd on whether or not to leave the European Union. Now, the latest Brexit poll showing a gain in the Leave camp, this according to a Reuters report published on Tuesday. But late Monday, the Sun newspaper already endorsing a Brexit. In other words, there's a lot going on over in Great Britain. Now, back here in the United States, the Federal Open Market Committee, that's the FOMC, the Federal Reserve, concluding its two-day meeting tomorrow. But today, Fed Chair Janet Yellen scheduled to hold a press conference. At the same time, another press conference is scheduled tomorrow at the conclusion at that meeting. Now, you team this up with a combination of crude oil futures trading roughly 1% lower, the U.S. dollar index trading about 0.5% higher, and gold continuing to see a slight slide, then you have yourself a session right now where about 3 stocks are in the red for every advancer a few blocks away at the big board. Let's take a look now to see how the markets are shaping up to close out this, the second to last trading session of the week. And we conclude with several stories. We first have to talk a slight bit about Xbox wowing the crowd at E3 yesterday. You could click the link in the video to check that one out. We also had the proper farewell for the Riviera Hotel and Casino in Vegas early this morning. Click the link for that one as well. But lastly, I have to bring this up. I fell asleep last night because I do work a lot. The Cavaliers strong last night in the finals. The question now is whether or not Golden State can finally put the nail in the coffin against Cleveland this Thursday, or will LeBron, or King James as he's better known, extend it to a Game 7, which is always great regardless. Either way, we'll stay tuned for that. And with that stated, kick back, relax, grab yourself a drink. The sun is going away, but that doesn't mean that the night is going away either. Have yourself a drink. I'll see you guys all tomorrow morning. From out on Wall Street, I'm James Sweeney.